Most men spend their whole lives never understanding a rare reverse secret. A secret that once you know it, you'll understand how to talk to women, how to enter their mind, and how to make them wait for your next message, your next meeting. Imagine this. You, and in front of you, the girl you're about to talk to. The question is, what will you say? What will you talk about? How will the conversation flow smoothly without any breaks? The first mistake most men make is overthinking. They keep thinking what to say, how to say it, which topic to choose, and in that thinking, their real energy dies. So before going into details, I want you to change your perspective. Reset your internal mindset. Because when you talk to a girl, remember, she is just a human. Not above you, not below you, just a human. Don't put her on a pedestal just because she's beautiful. You've heard this many times, but now it's time to internalize it. From now on, whenever you talk to a beautiful woman, let my voice echo in your ears. She is just a human, nothing more. Now the second rule, when you talk, feel like you are on higher ground. Not from ego, but from energy. Women are not attracted to words, they are attracted to energy. When you talk, her subconscious mind scans you with an invisible radar. It decides whether you're the right man for her or not. You know women are emotional beings. They decide not by logic, but by feelings. But today, we're going deeper. What is attraction? Understanding this is the key. If you don't understand how attraction works, you will never truly understand women, because attraction isn't the result of an equation. It's an emotional current flowing inside a woman without logic. Women do what they feel. They see, they feel, and they act based on that emotion. They cannot control whom they get attracted to. Attraction is a subconscious response activated by certain behavior patterns. If you learn these behaviors, attraction triggers automatically. You won't need to talk much or explain anything. Now imagine her subconscious like a radar. The moment you talk, it lights up and scans you to decide if you're the right man. This radar is separate from her conscious mind. If that radar wants you, her logical brain cannot say no. That's why many women keep going back to the same man who breaks them, cheats on them. Their logical brain keeps saying, "You're making a mistake," but the radar, the primal instinct, keeps pulling them back. Because her logic is disconnected and her heart is tied to emotions. So next time you talk to a girl, remember this. You're not talking to her logic, you're talking to her energy. Don't listen to her words, feel her frequency. If you touch her emotion, she'll never forget you or the feeling. Remember this, every girl from birth carries one biological purpose. Finding her right man. Society doesn't teach you this, but it is biological truth. She may become a NASA scientist or a CEO, but her natural radar is always searching for the right man. And she doesn't choose him consciously. Her radar chooses. It feels him and selects him. So when you talk to a girl, remember her radar is scanning your every word, gesture, and expression. It tries to understand whether you are above her or below her, and it decides that not by your words, but by your behavior, body language, and energy level. If your behavior shows you see yourself above her, the radar instantly marks you as the right man and she gets pulled toward you. Yes, it may sound strange, complicated, but by the end you'll understand everything. You'll know how to enter a girl's mind without her realizing it. So what should you do? What should you say so her radar understands your level? Let's start with the most misunderstood thing. Body language. Books say keep your head high, don't keep hands in pockets, keep your back straight. Forget all that. It's noise. Body language has only 3 rules, 3 dark secrets. Rule 1, never lean toward a girl while talking. Most men do this. They lean forward and unknowingly send the signal, I'm very interested, and her radar instantly lowers your value. Instead, lean back slightly. Sit relaxed as if she's talking and you're just listening without trying to impress. That is real power. Rule 2. Whenever she says something you don't like I'm not interested, just smile and calmly say, yeah, I know I might not be your type. You're a nice girl though. And slowly walk away. In that moment she will either stop you or say something to make you stay. Because beautiful women are made to be chased, not to chase. When you walk away, she sees for the first time a man who is willing to leave her, and that drives her crazy. Rule 3. Comfort. A comfortable man always shows higher value. Think when you sit next to a high-status person, like a minister or celebrity, your body becomes stiff, nervous. But when you sit beside your brother or old friend, you relax, laugh, spread your legs. That is power posture. That is dominance. When you sit in front of a girl like that, relaxed, carefree, as if her thoughts don't matter, that's when she thinks this man is different. So from now on, don't lean in, don't chase, always stay comfortable. Your body tells your story, and her radar reads it without words. Now listen carefully. Forget how to sit, how to move your hands, how to look. If your mind wants to put your hands in your pocket, do it. If you want to fold your legs, do it. Lean back if you want. Real attraction isn't in posture, it's in comfort. When talking to a girl, she isn't looking at your hands or feet. She is feeling whether you are comfortable or not. Apply this mindset not just with girls, but in life. Being at peace with yourself is more important than body language. Stop caring how to sit, how to smile, what people will think. Once you chase perfection, you lose your power. Just stay relaxed, be at peace with yourself. When you live in this mindset, your gestures speak for you. A girl feels that you don't care about impressing her, and that creates a magnetic pull because she feels you see yourself above her. Now body language is over. Let's talk about the real game. Conversation. How to speak and turn dialogue into an art. Here's a dark formula. In every conversation, 50% should be about her, 30% about environment or random things, 20% about you. Why more about her and less about you? Because the one who talks about himself more is the one seeking approval, like in a job interview where you need the job. So you talk about yourself. Power lies with the interviewer. Similarly, when you talk about your achievements in front of a girl, you show you need her approval and your value drops. So the rule is simple. Talk more about her, less about yourself. Now the first part, talk about her. What she likes, dislikes, her childhood, her dreams, how she sees her life, what she thinks her strengths and weaknesses are. When you let her open up, she subconsciously starts trusting you. That's the hypnotic pull. The 30% is about environment or random things. No formula here. Imagine talking to an old friend, free, unfiltered. Say anything. Silly jokes, weird thoughts, it's all fine. The important thing is being effortless. Don't think what to say or how to look serious. Just flow. Conversation flows without logic. Even drunk talk creates attraction, because attraction doesn't happen in control. It happens in freedom, and if a disagreement happens, don't argue, don't try to convince her. You don't need her agreement, you need your height. If you keep trying to please her, she'll subconsciously sense your approval. Seeking in your magic breaks the last 20% when you talk about yourself. Never show you are extraordinary. Don't list achievements or adventures. A powerful man doesn't talk about his strength, he lets people feel it. The man whose silence changes the room is the real magnet. So stay relaxed, speak less, never seek approval. The day you learn to live in peace with yourself, women will want to be around you without knowing why. Here's golden advice whenever you talk about yourself. Make fun of yourself a little. Don't fear looking a little crazy, weird, or stupid. When you can laugh at yourself, no one can bring you down. A girl then feels this man isn't here to impress me. He is already complete in himself. Now comes the most dangerous weapon. Mystery. Being mysterious doesn't mean lying or hiding everything. It means staying slightly incomplete so she becomes curious to know more. Most guys answer a girl's question fully. She asks, "Where do you work?" He replies confidently with full details and kills the mystery. No suspense, no tension, no power, do it right. If she asks, "Where do you work?" say with a small smile, "Hold on there, speedy kitten, we just started talking and you're already interviewing me." She'll laugh, but her mind will think, "Why is he like this? What's different about him?" If she asks, "What are you doing Friday night?" say, "Something exciting, but it's a secret." If she asks, "Ever been in a relationship?" smile and say, "You still don't know me well enough." I don't share private things with strangers. If she asks your name, say, "First guess. If you get it right, I'll give you a candy." That's playful mystery, that's charm, and that's control. You wrap the conversation around her curiosity. She wants to know you, and you don't let her. That's attraction psychology. But there's still a danger, a test. Every woman tests subconsciously. She'll say things that trigger your ego, tease you, mock you, just to see if you're real or acting confident. Next episode, we'll talk about the art of passing her tests, how to turn a test into power without reacting. Slow smile, because the one who wins any game is the one who writes the rules. If you enjoyed the video, like it and comment, "I'm the player, not the pawn." And yes, I'll reveal the next level of this game in the next video.